Hi friends, listen very closely. People don't fail because they lack dreams. People fail because they accept a life below their own standards. Dreams pull you forward, standards hold you up. Standards are the minimum level of life you refuse to go below. They are the invisible rules you silently teach the world about how to treat you. Today, I want to give you five powerful inner world questions that will completely shift your identity, your confidence, and your outcomes. Let's walk through them one by one. Question number one. Am I truly clear about my standards? Imagine walking into a restaurant where the menu has no prices. You will hesitate, you feel uncertain, and you don't know the cost. Life works the same way. When you don't declare your standards, the world assigns standards for you. If your standard is, I deliver before deadline, I keep my word, people see you as dependable. But when you don't define your minimum level, life slowly drags you into mediocrity, missed deadlines, excuses, average performance, a life you never chose. So write this down. These are my non negotiables. What I tolerate, what I reject. Your life changes the moment your standards become non negotiable. Question number two. Are my standards really mine? Most people live inside standards that belong to society. Earn this salary, work this many number of hours, follow this path, achieve this checklist, this iPhone, that flat, that car. But ask yourself, does this truly belong to me? Or am I wearing someone else's shoes? Even if the shoes are branded. If they don't fit your feet, they will give you blisters. An entrepreneur might say, I will never compromise customer trust, even if it costs short term money. That is a personal standard, not the society's demand. Define standards that grow out of your values, identity, and inner truth, not from pressure, not from comparison, not from fear. Question number three. Are my skills aligned with my standards? A standard without skill is an invitation to frustration. It's like claiming, like, I'll finish a marathon in 3 hours, but never training for it. If your standard is, I'm a world class communicator, but you don't build public speaking or writing skills, then you are driving a Formula One car with a scooter engine. So upgrade your skills to match your ambition. Every skill you master pushes your standards higher. Every day you delay, your standards weaken. Question number four. Are my efforts aligned with my standards? Skills are potential, but effort is a proof. You can buy the best gym membership, but without consistent action, your fitness standards will dissolve. If your standard is, I'm building a 1 crore business, then your daily actions must reflect it. Marketing, sales, content, execution, not daydreaming. A student who says, my standard is top 10, but starts studying one night before the exam, betrays their own standard. Your effort is the greatest honesty test of your life. It reveals whether you respect your standard or just repeat them. Question number five. Is my energy aligned with my standards? You can have clarity, you can have skills, effort, but if your energy is low, your life collapses. If your standard is, I inspire my team every morning, but you show up irritated, drained, or negative, you break your own code. Think of your phone. Even the best apps crash at a 2% battery. Your mind and body are the battery for your standards. Protect your sleep, protect your food, protect your mindset, protect your inner energy. Because when energy drops, standards fall. And when standards fall, life falls. Your life does not rise to your goals. Your life rises to your standards and it falls to your standards. So ask yourself daily, am I clear? Are they truly mine? Are my skills aligned? Are my efforts aligned? Is my energy aligned? Set your standards high. Live them with pride. Protect them with discipline. And watch your life transform in ways you never imagined. Wishing you strength, clarity, and unstoppable forward momentum. All the very best, my friend.